This is Math 142 Practice Test 1, question number 10, and we're supposed to solve this triangle. And so it's a right triangle. We know that this angle in here is 62 degrees, 12 minutes. We know that this length is 145.50 units. All right, so in order to solve this, I'm gonna label some of these sides. I'll just call this side A, call this C, call this angle beta. So in order to solve this one, I'm going to go, let's see, if I wanted to find A, I could use tangent. Tangent of, whoops, that's 62 degrees, 12 minutes is opposite over adjacent. A over 145.50, multiply both sides by that. 145.50, tangent of 62 degrees, 12 minutes is A. And so then I'll just grab my calculator. And one of the things I'm going to do with my calculator is first off make sure that it's in the right mode. Put it in degrees mode. If I try to do this in radians, I'll have trouble. 145.5 times the tangent of 62. And remember, going to that angle menu, degrees, 12 minutes. And I get about 275.97 rounded up. So that's about 275.97. I could find this missing side here. I know that this missing angle. I know some of the angles is 180. So so these two angles have to add to 90. So I'm going to go. I just want to keep that 6212, so I don't have to type it back in. That may have been more work than typing it back in. And then I'm going to go 90 minus that. I have 27.8. Remember, if I want it in degrees and minutes, I can choose that DMS off the angle menu. So this is about 27 degrees, 48 minutes. And then to find C, I could go a couple different ways. I'll go Pythagorean theorem. I know that this squared, this side squared, plus this side squared is that squared. So if I square root that whole thing, that'll give me the answer. So I'll just go square root of 145.5 squared plus 275.97 squared. Looks like I get about 311.98. And I'm going to round it up because of that 7 behind. And that is solved. I know all three sides. I know all three angles.